Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Nalost ako din.
Okay. Ari na naman ta. Eh.
Uy, kami mo ba malinis sa karon?
Okay, ano rin?
Exit. Bulan-bulan lang ipa.
Oh my gosh, so amo dyan ang parkour, no? Okay. Kaya di na akong batian, kaya nakamute ako kay, sa ano ba, messenger, ano na? Messenger chat, messenger group, voice call kami. So, amo dyan ang domaze. Ano nang yung sadlag ko. Tapos, transparent ang Flora. Oh my gosh, I lost them. I lost Jolan and Steffi and the Beshi. Mga, there's a little jacket na parang sulit. I know, I'm so wrong. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just follow their names. Okay. Let's see. Okay. There it is. Please. Yes. No. Hope I am right. I just follow their names. Just calm down. Just follow the names. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Steffi. Wait lang. Wait. Okay. It's Brill, hello, Beshi Brill. Oh my gosh, this is Beshi Brill. There we go. Wala. Abik ko rin. Turo ko mo sa exit. Okay. This is never. Okay. So, pag gusto lang kung di kita malusot-lusot, basta malusot na kita gawa. Okay, sige. I think makakita ako. No, it's wrong. Okay. We're going to buy an Orison Wind left the game. Oh my gosh, there's so many players. Oh, actually, there's no. Okay. Uy, wala. Sa nether brick, you guys. Oh, I'm so stuck. Okay. I see. No. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so wrong. Maybe I just followed their names. Okay. This is so easy because we just follow the name. No, I'm just kidding. No, I don't. What is this? Oh no, I'm so wrong. No, I didn't try. I didn't intend to jinx this. So there's no jinx. I saw Yori Joel. Oh no, I'm so wrong. Oh no, I lost. Oh god. This parkour, actually, no. I don't want to. I don't want to. No! Came back in the same direction. Okay. Calm down. Just find their names. You will be okay, Ludmila. You will be okay. You already touched the red and... Okay, I think it's this because this has so many holes. Oh, there it is. Am I in the... No, it's so wrong. Oh my gosh. Please don't curse me. I'm just okay. Please. I'm lost. Oh my gosh, there's no level. Oh yes! I found him. Okay. Just follow him. Okay. Hey! Oh yeah. No! Don't go there. There's no holes in there. Ow! Okay. Maybe in the other side because there's literally nothing here. I'm sorry if I off my mic because when I turn on my mic, I go out from the Minecraft, from this server. And I am really sorry, you guys. So, if I have something to say, I just click this little opal Minecraft here. Please, I didn't. Okay. There we go. That travels across the screen. Okay. Please, I didn't. Okay. Oh, just calm down. Okay. My runny nose is currently continuous. No, I am just kidding. Okay, where it is? Please, no, don't. I think there's no literally in the library. Or is there? Is it? Is it there? I mean, like you know, um, just trying to teamwork here. I think I go opposite from the names. I go away from those names because I think there are because Yori told us to go uh to go separate ways. So wait, please wait. I told you. We are not in the CR. What is this CR? This is from the end. I think this is the purple. That's from an end. Maybe they realize that I'm so silent in microphone because I really cannot because if I don't use my earphone uh they will hear their own voice echo from the background whenever they say something in the voice call. So it's better left me unsaid. But left me unsaid. Okay, wala again. I hate dystopiary. There's no such thing. Or maybe they actually went here already. Oh, I think the snowman gives the answer. I mean the hint or the clue. Okay. Actually, there's no. So I. Why are we stuck here? Maybe we can back to start again. Oh, this is a big maze. Wait, let me wipe my nose, runny nose, with my mucous membrane flowing out so slowly. Bakit siya? Not yet. Not yet, please. I know that you don't hear me, but I'm screaming inside right now. I'm back, I'm back from that. Okay. Just kidding. Okay. I'm just making fun, guys, because, para lang ma-enjoy nyo man ang video. What is this? Position. What position are you? Okay, they don't hear me, but, I think we should just follow the... I actually know the... Why? Why am I doing this? Yeah, we're just Yeah, messenger, I am speaking. Just shut up, okay? I know I'm stuck here for years. No kidding. Wait, there's something just viral on the bottom. No kidding. We can't cheat at all. Okay. Yes, thank you, topiary. It's not really topiary. It's a hedge garden. I guess it's like green leaves and all. But please, just give me direction, and I love you so much. Okay, where is it? There's something talking in the background. Okay. To me, when I'm talking at my background, it's because it maybe is my niece or nephew, but today is so lucky I am because they are in their bedroom and they're just playing or watching YouTube. So if you have questions, just please feel free to leave. Joke, I'm just kidding. To ask, what's this? Yeah. Oh no, I came back from. Okay. So first, we just we're stuck. Oh yes. No, there's no. You're stuck here, Stephanie. Don't go here. Okay. Ganit. Ikot-ikot lang mo kami, ha, admin. I know you're holding grudge inside. No, kidding, just kidding. Are you speaking? Yes, I'm speaking, of course. You're always detecting my voice. Okay. No, actually, I won't. Wait lang. Let me wipe my runny nose. Actually, maybe they fooled us. No, kidding, just kidding. I don't think because admins are, this is competition and you should be like, okay, so we think that we'll try to find the most longest. Okay, and then if there are the names over there, then we will go to that next. Yes, thank you. Okay. So I'm done with you, little purple. Okay, I go out of this library as well. I don't want to do. Please let me go. Let me go. Okay. Please, no. Okay. Wait. Let me use my What is this? My mask because my runny nose is so runny that you can't even keep up. No kidding. Just kidding. Okay. Wala. There's nothing. No, I'm kidding. Okay, maybe they're just tricking us. It actually is. I know it is. Yes, thank you, Messenger. I know, thank you. Oh no, someone's off. Okay. I think you just follow their names though. Maximoff, don't go. Don't go there. Oh, actually, I'm stuck. So if it's not there, then yeah, me too. Hi, who are you? April. Wait. Um, that snowman, I guess, has something to do with something. Has something to do with this. Don't go here. It's cursed. Don't go through this library. Kidding. I think there's something. You just have to follow your heart. Wow. Okay. Sana all follow your heart. Ramang nga follow your heart kung dyan man ang imo nga, pinapalangga. Tagipusoon, mapektuhan. Excuse kita yun sa class. Sakit tagipusoon kung ma'am. So, if I'm done with this library, and if I'm done with these other scholars, if it means there's no exit. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Help! There's no exit. They just pulled us. No, I'm kidding. Okay. I'm so loud, so I just realized that I'm so loud. No, kid. Hi, Bashi. Ouch! Don't hurt me. I know you are cheering. Okay, I know you're laughing. No, kid. Okay, next is so if they don't see something, they just follow their heart. There's no such thing as a. So there's no. So I go back. So if there's two ways, I went from here. So I should go to this. They actually know. Okay. What if we do this? Settings. Sorry, I use my settings. Video because if you video and go third person, third person back. You can actually saw. Oh my gosh! Hey, go third person back, you guys. I actually. Wala. I say Sunod na ta.
Wala na siya, wala na.
Third person back.
Wala, nagbalik ako. Shit.
But still, you're stuck even you do this.
Sa aton, ginanga, box dito, wala clue.
Okay. This is like a video game, so there's no.
Basig na kadawon nila kita pagkuhan din.
Don't worry, we are players. We just enjoy every moment of this. Like, actually, it's actually nauseating. I mean, like, it boils my mind. It boils my. That is not. I already went here. We're so breaking the rules. Don't tell anyone that we're third person back. Thank you. I already went here. There's nothing here. Wait. Sa center? Oh my gosh! You guys, pass ka mo! Paano ako ka-on ka dyan? Can I do this? Press and hold to send a voice clip. You guys, nakagwa ko!
Ngayon, Jo?
Center?
Para takot ka talk. If I talk, I will I will quit the game. Pass through the purple. I think through purple blocks, then dark nether blocks, then may step kamo nga plate sa ending kang maze. Ending kang maze. Then mateleport ka mo kara sa parkour. Nakagwa ako sa maze. Nakagwa ako, guys. Kita ko, besh.
Nakagwa ka na sulat niya. Wala naging kita ginano.
Kita.
Anak kita ginano kaya. Abat na.
Kita ko.
Kadto ka mo sa may sa purple nga black. Dark. Tapos then may step ka mo nga plate and then kang maze. Then mataleport ka mo.
Din ka, no?
Send no coordinate.
Send coordinate?
Nadura ang coordinates.
Port ka na.
No, because kung i-turn on ko ang mic, hindi ko ma-turn on. Look.
Maadto ka na sa purple. Tapos sa dark in neither. Ano to? Sa black. Tapos may ano ka na dyan na may
Okay.
neither black. Tapos may plate din ka nura. May step. Tapos may teleport. Wap na ako dyan ko na yung ano. Tulit pa lang.
Sana voice call.
Hindi ako magwa dyan sa amin. Lapin niyo po, girl.
Purple and black.
Sa purple, tapos sa dark. Hindi ako magwa. Hindi ako magwa. Garden ka.
Purple na black.
Hindi ako pa rin pagwa.
Maybe I left the game so that buligan ko sanda. Okay, maybe I just ano na lang. Dali lang git. Wait lang. Ay, mabala ko kay echo ang ano, dali lang. Okay, nag-aware na ko ang earphone. Wait lang good. Wait lang good. Patatakon ko kit ka dyan. Gwa ako bala. Magwa na lang ako. Hindi ako ka-open mic. Look, na-try ko best ko nga i-turn on. Kung iti ano ang jay. Nagwa na lang ako sa Minecraft. Ay, nagambala ko kay na nga masandla ko sa GC kay kung rabay kakasbay akang earphone ti geko ang hambal nyo di ko maintindihan. Kung ko turn on mic ko dali lang nagwa na lang ako kay para mabuligat ta ka aba ko ba kay na masandla ko message. Nag-aaw. Nagwa ako sa Minecraft. Hindi ako. Lapak, dabali mapkadto ka sa do purple nga do pink nga black tapos ang do do CR balang tsura ka black nga do tapos mapas ka kara baitaan mo dyan ang something darker nga nether black sa libro then ang do purple nga black then ang do darker nga do brown nga black. Wait ko lang kurusanda. Ang ba kay kung kaksan ko ang earphone ko geko kita di ko maintindihan. Pero nga nag-exit ako sa Minecraft, di ako kabalik gid man sa una. Maybe I can go up. I cannot go up. Lain nanay kita, lain ako nga nga room. I'm so sorry, you guys. Because kay ko kaksan ko by earphone ko. Natural. Jaco rin. Si Stephanie na lang. Okay, sige. Hala! There go! Oh my gosh! And, okay, dyan parkour. Magwa kita sa pertahan. Adya. Oh, okay. Bohidra. Bailang balik ka kakara. Nakabalik ikaw? Adya, nakagwa ta na. Kamu. Gani. Jump sa blocks. Jump ka sa blocks. Nga naka-float. Sa babaw mo.